Hello, Sunny. Good evening.
Hello, teacher.
Yes, can you hear me well?
Yes.
Very good. Where are you, Sunny?
Yeah,
There you are. Okay, so how's your day?
it's good.
Very good. All right. So, have you eaten dinner already?
Yes.
Nice. Okay, so what time did you get home today?
I get home at 5 o'clock.
5 o'clock. All right. So, anyway, Sunny, for tonight, we are going to continue with our lesson yesterday. Do you still remember it? Actually, it's not like a lesson, it's just a practice test for speaking in English. Okay, so
Find the
mhm.
difference.
Yes, so we finish part one, which is about finding the differences between the two pictures. All right, so for tonight, we are going to continue with part two. It is all about asking and answering questions. Of course, you know what to do here. Look at the two people. These are Michael and Helen. So they both have new pets. Okay, since I don't know anything about Michael's pet, so I'm going to ask you some questions, Sunny,
Hmm?
because you're the only person who knows about it. Oh, wow, what's that? That's so cute. Is that your rabbit?
Yes. She wants to join
Yeah.
in.
Yeah, sure. Feel free to join it, Mr. Rabbit. What's her name? Or what's his
Her,
name?
her name is Pippi.
Pee. Yes. Oh, hello there, Pee.
Um,
Okay. So now, since I don't know anything about Michael's pet, I'm going to ask Pee some questions. All right? So you pretend that you are Pee. So look at Michael's pet. Where do you think is the pet, Pee?
what is the pet? Uh,
I mean, I will be the one to ask you some questions, then you will be
oh,
the one to answer. Okay, so where is the pet?
um, it's in a box.
Very good. Okay, what pet does he have?
He has a kitten.
Nice. What color is it, Pee?
It's white, like me. Mm,
How old is it?
it's 2 months.
2 months. All right. What's the name?
It's Noble.
Snowball. Okay. Then when did he buy it?
He bought it yesterday.
Just yesterday. All right. Well, oh my God, I look so thin because my camera is changed to my laptop's camera. Okay, so
Uh,
anyway,
why
who
did
did
you
he
wear
buy?
short
What?
clothes like shirt? I'm wearing
Yes,
a sweater. Is it
yes,
just is
because
that
here
hot?
it's not that cold here. That's why I'm just wearing a t-shirt.
Ah,
Yes. Is it cold in your place, Sunny?
yes.
Oh, I see. All right. So, hmm, where did Michael buy Snowball?
What?
Where did Michael buy Snowball?
Um, um, uh, buy it in the pet shop.
Yeah?
He buy it in the pet shop.
Yes, that's right. She bought it at the pet shop. Okay, how much did she did he pay for it?
He paid. He paid. I don't know.
All right.
He got
So,
the
what does Snowball eat?
snowball eat fish.
Very good. All right. Well, thank you so much for answering my questions, PP. So I'm going to ask to give you a perfect score of 5 out of 5 in here. Nice one. So now you have, oh, no, not that one. One, two, three, four, five. 5 hearts. Okay. So now let's talk about Helen's pet. Okay. Let's switch, Sunny. You will be the one
He,
to ask me some questions and I will answer your questions.
um, where is the pet?
It's inside a box.
What pet does Helen got?
He got a cute puppy.
What color is the puppy?
It's brown.
Um, um, what old is a puppy?
It's 3 months old.
What is Helen's pet name?
It's called Spot.
Um, is Helen's pet big or small?
It's small.
Where did he, when did, when did he buy it?
She bought it a week ago with her mom.
um, mm,
Any more questions?
uh,
Nothing else. All right. Well, thank you for asking me those questions, Sunny. So that's another 5 stars for you. Very good. Okay, 5 hearts, I mean. Now, let's talk about your pet, which is Pippi. Okay. So what pet have you got, Sunny?
I have got a pet, a rabbit.
Nice. How old is it?
She is 2 years old.
2 years old. Okay. What color is
Uh,
it?
here, I didn't touch her. Now she can sit.
Yes, very good, Pipi. Okay, so how old is your pet, son?
Um, is 2 years old.
Great. Okay, like what's what is Pipi's other name?
Oh, watermelon.
What?
Is watermelon.
Watermelon? Why do you call Pipi a watermelon?
Because, because her favorite food is watermelon.
Oh, all right. What other food does Pipi eat?
Baby eat carrots, vegetables too.
Nice. When did you buy it?
I bought it um yesterday.
Yesterday. All right. Like for
Mm,
real, when did you buy Pipi?
I buy it one, two, two, what? It's very long ago. I cannot
Oh,
remember. It's past 2 years.
2 years ago. Very good. Where did you buy
Oh
it?
my god. I I bought it on Monday.
On where? Where did you buy it?
Huh? Why did it changing like you are? Up, I just say it's you. When I see you are phone, now you are close.
Yes, because that's actually one of the feature here in Zoom. I made it, how do I say it?
What?
I click auto frame my video. Then that means it automatically frames yourself to fit in a video here in Zoom. That is why when I was like that, I was very thin and it automatically adjusts the frame. And
Ah,
now I'm a little big like that. Okay, so anyway, thank you for sharing me about PP. Now, this time, I want you to ask me questions about my pet who's already dead.
you are Tina.
What?
Now you are thin.
What?
That's
I'm sorry?
change. Um, um, I just see you are changing. First you are big.
No, not
Now
yet,
you
not
are
yet, not
thin.
yet, not yet. I want you to ask me some questions about my pet who is already dead.
Oh, what?
Yes, I used to have a pet, but he died last September, like two
September.
months ago.
2 months?
Just this year,
Mm,
yes.
it's serious.
What, Sunny?
I feel serious.
Okay, so now I want you to ask me some questions about it.
Okay. What pet do you what pet do you got? A
I've got a pet dog.
no? A dog? Is the big or small?
It's very big.
I'm scared of dogs. What about you? Do you scared of dogs?
I'm not. That's why I used to have a dog because I love dogs.
I'm scared of Is that scary? Is
Pardon,
scary
Sunny?
or is that your dog scary or normal?
No, my dog is very friendly.
Friendly? Hmm. Do they have fur?
Yes, it has a very thick fur.
What color is your pet?
It's like golden brown.
Oh, I know, golden brown. And when did you clean your dog?
I usually gave him a bath every weekends on Saturday, once a
If
week.
I have if I have a dog, I always take the dog to the bath. Not usually.
What do you mean, like to the vet? To the vet?
It. I mean, every week I always wash the dog. Take dog to the bath.
Yes, of course, but not every day because I have work, Sunny, so I don't have time to give him some bath every day. So I
Do you,
only give him a shower once a week, every
um
Saturday.
um can I ask you this question? What
Yes.
time do you what? I don't mean.
Pardon?
Okay. Next is What's his name?
He's called Mac.
Max? Oh,
Yeah.
it sounds like
But we call him,
same.
sometimes I call him Mexico, like Mexico, like that.
Um, but is that like this one? I will write it. Um, I
Sure.
mean, I mean, is that Max? Is that Max here?
Yes, like that. Mac.
Oh, can I say this word? This name is pro. It's just like the same as my friend in the Zoom workplace because on Saturday, no, on Friday I have a lesson and he was Max. There was
Oh,
someone's name in Max.
yes, because you know what? Max is also a name for a person, Sunny. It's not just for a dog. Yes, but right
Oh,
now I don't have a dog anymore. Do you want to see Max, Sunny?
yes, but just a picture, not a real dog.
No, it is a real dog, actually. Yeah, it is my dog. Yeah, like this one. Let me look
No.
some of her this one. Can you see?
Uh, can you make it? Oh, it's just
Yes,
like a
he's very
friendly
cute.
dog. Wow.
Yes, he is very friendly. But you know what? He's very friendly to the point that the street dogs actually killed him
Oh, why?
because Max is just inside our house. Like there was one time that when my dad went outside, so the gate was open and he forgot to close the gate and Max went out and there are many street dogs near our house. And since Max doesn't know how to fight, that's why the dogs attack him and he got bruises. He was so weak to the point that he didn't want to eat anymore. And after like 2 days, he died. And you know
I
how old
thought,
he is, Sunny? He's actually 13 years old. So he's
oh,
very
that's
old.
old.
Yeah.
But, but I have a question.
Mm.
Why did your dog cannot attack without you attack? That
Yeah, because this kind of dog doesn't know how to fight. They're very friendly.
they
Yes,
don't
they're
know how
not
to
guard
fight.
dog. Yeah, he knows how to bark like "Ruff, ruff," but he doesn't know how to fight with dogs. Yes.
In my place, there are many and many street dogs, and every step I go, every houses have dogs, and sometimes one day I have a big trouble. I don't mean to that dog, and the dog chased me. Um, if I run a little bit, not fast enough, and I will be bite. That's why I
Yes.
when I was going with my bottle have a water, and when go to the house near my neighborhood, it's have I see a white dog, and it's have a loud sound and scary, but I don't know what they are saying, but then they rush into me, and then I I haven't look like I don't do anything with that dog, and then I been pushing and they chase me. Then I drop my bottle and I go to my grandmother. She is going just a little bit slow. That's why I go faster than her. And finally, the dog don't chase me and they ran to their home and they got it. and have a big breath. Then I feel like sometimes I want my parents to take me home by motorbike. I don't want to walk anymore, but walk helps me have a long legs. So I don't
Mm?
think I will walk anymore. But at the second day, when I walk with my grandma, and the dog not chase because I go with my grandma. Then I don't be bite anymore. Eh, But
You know what?
now I'm
Mm-hmm.
very scared.
Yes, actually, the thing about street dogs, Sunny, is they will actually chase you if you run. So if the dog tries to bark at you like, "Ruff, ruff," do
No,
not
they
look
suddenly
at them.
chase me.
Really? Yes.
Yeah, but
Yeah, from what
I
I know, like dogs do not chase you if you don't run.
no, but
Yes.
they chase me. If I don't run, they will chase me and they bite me. I don't mean like if I don't run, the dog will not chase me. But suddenly, I don't do anything. I just see the dog and I just see the road. Just then, the dogs run after me. They chase me. I don't do anything. I
How
I
many
just
dogs chased you?
uh what?
How many dogs chased you?
About 5 dogs.
Really? That's very scary.
I'm
You must be
weird.
terrified.
I'm weird sometimes. I feel like walking with my grandmother is scary if I go by motorbike with my parents. But my parents is very busy. Hmm.
Yeah, so just be careful next time, Sunny. You know what? Always bring an umbrella with you, an umbrella that is long. So whenever that the dog tries to attack you, hit it with your umbrella or hit it with a
But
stone. You know what? Like pick some stone then throw it to those street dogs because
oh,
dogs are
I
scared of
remember.
stones.
I remember. When the dogs chase me, I see a big rock. Then I throw it to the dog, but it hit one. But the dogs not feel anything. Then they just chase me. Then my
Really?
grandmother used a very big rock like this,
Hmm.
and then she threw it to the dog. The dogs finally go to their homes, and so
Yes, and do not try to stomp your feet to chase away the dog. You do not like that or while stomping your feet because sometimes dogs feel like you want to play with them. Yes. So yeah, you can actually throw something to them, but do not stomp your feet like that.
huh.
Okay, so just be careful next time, Sunny. You know what? Some dogs are actually dangerous because they don't have any vaccine. So that means they still have rabies with them. Yeah, especially street dogs. Unless if that dog is a pet of someone, then I bet that dog is 100% fully vaccinated. Have you
Ah,
ever been bitten by a dog, Sunny?
yes,
Really?
yeah. Then I
Where
not
did the
feel
dog bite you?
anything, but they don't have rabies because they have vaccines. Finally, I searched for dog. This that day, I was holding my grandma's phone and I see the dog is bite me and I take a picture of it and then I go and I search for it and then they have vaccine.
Oh, actually, you cannot just search on the internet whether that dog is vaccinated or not. You have to
Yeah.
ask the owner directly if that dog is fully vaccinated. And of course, when the dog bites you, go immediately to the doctor to get the vaccine for yourself just to be
Yeah.
safe because it's
If
better to be
if the
safe than
dog
sorry.
dead suddenly, we also dead
Mm-hmm.
too.
Pardon?
When the dog suddenly dies, also the people who bites from the dog win death too.
Oh that's the thing. Actually, it's not like automatically you will also die, but that means that the dog has rabies.
Ah,
Yes,
I know
that's one of the
something.
sign. Mm-hmm.
When I have a sign too. When when people who buys from a rabies dog and there is the sound, the drum of the deaf people, then we also die too.
I'm not sure about that one.
No,
But if the dog
but
died after biting you, then that means that dog has rabies. So you have to get vaccine, anti-rabies, Sunny, like that. Yeah. Anyway, just be careful next time and do not go to the streets where there are many
but
dogs.
but the the road is where I go home. Is is if I go around it is very long and also there are many dogs. There are two roads, right? But the roads aren't protected because every road, the two roads are all have dogs. Hmm.
Oh, that's really terrible, Sunny. So you can just ask your mom to pick you up instead at school, or
But
you can actually
she
ride
is
a public transportation.
but if I ride a bike or if I ride a bike, not sure, but I have a question. And
Mm-hmm.
this time, mm, if I ride a bike, uh, in my school, if we ride a bike, we need to pay money.
Oh, like are you riding your own bike or are you renting?
I have renting, but I'm not sure if I renting or I ride a bike. Hmm.
Are you
Because
riding the bike on your own or does somebody rides you or drives you?
um, in the morning, someone's ride me to school, and
Mm.
in the afternoon, I ride. Often or sometimes I ride my bike home.
Ah, all right. So that means you have your own bike, right?
But bike, yes. And but now I don't ride the bike anymore because t- I always feel like
Cô vô.
uh what's that iPhone?
That's actually my next student,
what what is her English name? Not iPhone.
Amy. Amy.
Amy. Uh,
Amy's using an iPhone, that's why you can see iPhone there. Anyway,
uh,
Sunny, okay, I'm just curious, why do you still have to pay for the bike if you own the bike? Are you
um
paying for the
this is
parking?
my own bike, but when I put where can I put the bike? I put a bike in a big
Ah,
place, but
that's for the parking lot, right?
yes, but it's very big. We have to pay to park it.
Yes, that's right. I understand. So of course you have to pay for the parking fee. Okay, so that is actually reasonable to pay for the parking fee. I really thought that
It's
they are
very
asking you
expensive.
for,
A little
yes,
expensive, right?
yes, a little expensive. But you know what? Walking has so many benefits too. It's good for our health. It's just that you have to be careful all the time, Sunny.
Oh,
Anyway, Sunny, it's already time and Amy is already waiting for me. So let's just end here. Goodbye, PP and Sunny. So
goodbye,
I'll
teacher
see
AM
you next
and
week.
iPhone.
Bye
Bye
bye.